What's the meaning of casbah? Casbah. Casbah.
Casbah. Casbah. The term casbah originated from the Arabic word kasaba, which refers to a fortress or citadel. It is commonly associated with the walled quarters of North African cities, especially Algiers, where it has become a cultural symbol. The Casbah of Algiers is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is regarded as one of the most significant examples of Islamic architecture in the world. Today, the term casbah is often used more broadly to describe any densely populated, labyrinthine area of a city, typically characterized by narrow streets and bustling marketplaces.